All right, so I'm going to give you guys a little introduction to trigonometry. The first thing is trigonometry is to do with right triangles, and we've studied before the right triangle with the right angle, and the fact that the side opposite the right angle is always called the hypotenuse. But today we're going to introduce a little something different about this. We're going to introduce something called a theta, which is denoting an angle here. Okay, so if we're given some angle here, be it 30 degrees, 60 degrees, whatever, there's a few things you need to know about this right triangle now with naming it. First of all, if you look at this angle right here and the side opposite, okay, opposite this angle, we call this side the opposite. Okay, the side that runs directly next to this angle, this given angle here, this side right here is called the adjacent. And what you need to know is that given an angle up here, the side directly across from it, okay, if you take your pencil and you move it straight down, the side directly across from it is called the opposite. This is the adjacent, and this diagonal from the right angle is always called the hypotenuse. That does not change. So to give you a further example, if I was to say this is side X and this is your angle here, and I wanted to know what the name of this side was, just like in section 1, then you would look here, okay, here's your right angle. This is the hypotenuse on this side. Okay, since this is your angle, this is the opposite over here. And the side that they're looking for right here, the X, okay, would be the adjacent. So in this particular diagram, the X represents the adjacent. So this would be your answer for this problem. For the next right triangle, if I was given that this was my angle in orange here, and I'm looking for this side, what is the name of this side? Well, again, across from the right angle is always the hypotenuse. Across from this angle, theta, your reference angle, is always your opposite. And the side that runs beside the reference angle is your adjacent. So since X is over here, X in this case is the opposite.